us alone. Leave us alone, no, Council. Leave us alone. Hey. Hey, my boss, oh, Council, leave us alone. Leave us alone, no, not by force. I don't want your injection. I don't want that. Yes, I don't want them. Never force. Oh, you don't come. I don't want them. You still come. You don't come. I don't need that.
CSB, they won't help your life. You know what, please. Now they work when they say me now they do. CSB, Council. What is wrong with you? What has come over you? The government don't give me opportunity. Say make I use this thing to help people life. Make it for better for them. You know understand? See this one day. You know well. He had the person body. I say make I use this one choke and make it for day okay. You know green. Is it by force to give people injection? What has come over you? Federal government not give me this thing. Make I choke them. No. You need to collect it. Give it to me. Oh, why did you? Are you okay? Hey, but why you not mad? We're there for this work together. No. I want choke him now. Oh yeah. What did they do now? How going? How fast are they for this village? All of you now go where? Let's go. Whether you like it or not. What is wrong with you? Let's go. Hey.
This is immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. Oh, not be my work. Government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen, better not, so don't come again. No. My job.
What do you want to do? So they ask me that kind of question. You carry big disease. See, the government don't give me the duty. Say anybody will carry disease, make I just give them better injection, make it do okay. It is my right to make sure that you are fine. Oh, you are turning your bottom. Now you carry disease. Leave me alone. If you touch me again, I will deal with you. You won't fight? Yes. You won't fight, Okay, no problem. Since you know what make I give you syringe, make you stay fine. You won't fight? Yes. My sister, I go training. I go take blow. Come on! That sickness from me. Let's fight. Hey, I will take blow. No. Leave me alone. No, what did I do you? No, wait. No, hey, Cancer. You will kill someone. No, wait. Okay, now. Stupid girl. It's okay. Watch me again. Ego, I got the best for you. Ego, I the best for you. Why are you going to do like this? Why are you fighting with her? The job where government give you, now they give me so. They say anybody will not wait for this time. May I give her injection? May it do okay. Now what thing I won't do? They should tell you that she's sick. She knows where. My sister, they hear since they look at this girl, they piece, when they finish. Hey, she carry gonorrhea, she carry syphilis, she carry. Shut up! Stop saying what you don't know. What is wrong with you? She pee. So let her go. I will blow you. No. So let this for here. No. This girl no way. This girl must collect injection. You must collect injection. Leave me alone. Now the walk. Now the do. What is worrying for her? Okay. What kind of nonsense? What is it? What is it, Kamso? What kind of question be that? What is wrong with you? You define my trouble, oh. You define my trouble for this village. How? What's happened? They give you your own, they give me my own. I see you getting locked up in this village. So. They're not gonna lock me up. Yes, so. What is they gonna make me lock me up? Wait, the way you are going, you are running mad. I'm not running mad. Nothing they do me. Government, give me box, give me syringe, give me needle. Say anybody wey no well, make her give her injection. Is that how they give immunization? They know well. She dey peace. Wetin happen? What kind of peace be that? So take it easy. This is madness. Don't be madness. You are running mad, oh. And you? This is madness, oh. I don't understand you. If you need injection, you tell me make I give you. Because you cause problem for me.
My job is not immunization, the whole community.
Go your side, make I go my side. I will not go my side before you go and commit another problem. I will not go. I am following you.
Immunization. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect it. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect. This is immunization. Government is sending me.
People go hear them for this village. They go hear them. Anybody will say you no go collect injection, I go kill them. Because I no go there for this village with this right where I get. But they carry disease, they spread everywhere. When the government don't give me the license to save their lives. You know they're possible. Kamso, this is my brother. What have you done to him? Look, his bottom is swollen. What have you done to my brother, Kamso? Wait till you they talk. Who be this? We're not the one that gave him injection. Now see what it has resulted to. No try him. No even try am. No scam, so no they give any bad injection. Any injection what they give. Now government approve. You know they say for my hand so. If you want, I go give you. My sister, my own are correct. So carry your brother. Go where they give him injection. No be me give him the injection. You hear me?
Is that all you have to say? Wait, after doing this to my brother, is that all you have to say? Don't worry, save your strength. See when we hear this. Later you come and explain to the way.
Come. Not tell Igwe. Go tell Jesus. In fact, if Jesus not do you, go tell Virgin Mary. Something they worry you for head. Government don't give you the license.
Worry. You come and explain yourself to the Igwe.
I beg you go. Okay. See this one will be like for Shoko. This boy need injection, no. He need. Which kind of nonsense talk with that? See, I no go carry all this right where government give me. Say, see, come and see. This plot now where they here. Now rank now they give me. They give me boss, give me injection. Say anybody will know where. Ma chook am. I go to choke them. What's happen? Today not today. They don't try me. Your international nurse don't come, oh. However, if they do you, I been a crow or anything. Come collect them now, no. Collect one injection. Now only for one you go pay, oh. I don't talk about, oh. Arrest her fast. What did I do? You will know when you get to the palace. I will not allow you to spoil my profession.
Crazy nurse.
Have you forgotten when this my brother? I told you I must report it to the
I'm going to talk to the palace. You will want to see you. Now move.
Don't be say you know go arrest me. I know say I'm international nurse. Arrest
Immunization. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect it. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect. This is immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. Oh, not be my work. Government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen, better not, so don't come again. No. My job now immunization the whole community. If you get it, immunization.
Which kind of sleeping on this one? Did you sleep last night?
Immunization. Everybody.
Wake up! It is time for immunization. Let's go. I dream with this. Here go. Joseph the dreamer. Can you take this? Let's go for immunization. Hey! Here go. You know be better person. How? So you a friend or betrayer? Me. Now what do you want to do me so you won't betray me? That's all you be. Are you okay? This dream what I dream so. Tell me say, you don't like this nurse work while they follow you do. You don't like her. You dey fear say one day I go pass you. You dey fear. Now make you dey do me like that for dream. Which kind of person you be? Is it me you're talking to because I still cannot get what you're trying to say? Now you are the talk to. You know be better friend. Okay, no problem. Can you carry this? Let's go for immunization. I go follow you. We go the immunize. But I go take one eye. They look you. Because you, as I see you so, you bad. You bad.
You must collect. This is immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. Oh, not be my work. Government. So this is my sweet mother. Mama, wherever you go, remember the road that leads you home. Okay. Go home. Well, Mama, this is your son's ride. Your son has made money. Your son has made money, so much money.
Mama. Umage butego the money. Ego the too much, man. Mama, hold on. Let me shock you.
Who is in your
Let me shock you. Don't worry. Hold on. Mama, this is the beautiful woman I want to marry. My love, that's my mother right there.
Did you say marry?
Go marry her. This is so beautiful. One cup of someone. Oh, wow, wow.
But one a big biko, one a big.
No.
Thank you.
God, who am I that you're so mindful of me? Do I deserve this beautiful girl? Come on, hug your mother-in-law.
I have a beautiful right and a beautiful wife.
Not from me.
Everything is balanced.
Yes.
Civilization don't land for town. Better not get town now. Any begin wey get body auto, you get cross, you get leg.
The way where you neck is bent. Now una come out, make una collect immunization. Immunization your pikin no. Where dem dey?
Kamso.
Eh?
Kamso. Who told you that somebody with crocro needs immunization?
No be wetin you tell me. You tell me say our mission for this time na to immunization pikin wey no where. Where dey? Yeah. Na wetin you tell me. So make dem come make we immunization dem. No be the work. Eh?
Madam, Biko, before you sell yourself finish here, it's called immunize, not immunization. You know that?
Forget that thing. Whether immunize or immunization my sister na the same thing. As long as imu dey there, immunize, immunization na the same thing. Leave that thing.
How they like wetin you dey do? Government carry this box give you. Carry this box give me. Say make we go out, make we go give people immunize.
Do your own, make I do my own. No dey teach me my job. Forget say na you bring me for this business. I don't sabi the job pass you.
You have to stop disgracing me and yourself too. Yes, it's becoming too much. Do not try that nonsense you did yesterday. In fact, it has gotten to that point where I have to talk to doctor to change partner for me.
Star, you no fit. You no fit, I dey tell you. Say you first me come, no be say you sabi something pass me. Me sef don pass you for the thing. You wey dey give birth, dey waka. How many people you don't give injection? But me, I dey give injection every day of my life. I go need promotion pass you. See, na me go tell doctor say make he change you. Now you dey go change. You dey hear? Wetin happen?
Kamso, did I hear you well?
I dey do my job, you dey jealous me.
No. Have you forgotten how you started wearing this uniform? Have you forgotten who gave you this job? Have you forgotten how you also got this box? I did it.
Wetin happen?
So I'm still your senior.
Na lie!
I want to remind you that I'm still your senior.
You first me come, you no pass me know the work. Na the work be the game, my sister. I sabi the work pass you. Immunization your pikin o. Where dem dey? Everybody. Crocro children. Immunization your pikin. I don't care if you want make you vex kill yourself. Your business be that. Immunization o. Crocro people wey na come for immunization. People wey get care leg, make una come. People wey get bent neck, make una come. Make I immunize una. Better nurse don land for this town. Hey, make them die.
You're actually mad, I didn't know.
Make them die, yo.
You're actually very mad, I didn't know.
Immunization your pikin.
Look at it! My containers! 40-feet containers! All lined up! Yes! Hi, Ndoka here. Eh?
Yes, brother.
With you people, I'm going to America.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, brother.
No, sir, now I want to tell you people now that with this thing people have, this packaging. Eh?
Yes, brother.
I want to tell you that any man that will marry you will give me nothing less than 5 million.
Yes, Moku.
Because you're American container.
Yes, brother.
You're American container.
Yes, brother.
5 million.
Yes,
But
brother.
last. If you want to say, maybe he's crying and say, let's deduct money. 4.5.
No, brother, don't price. 5 million.
5 million.
Yeah.
Ibia.
Yes, brother.
One demo.
Yes, brother.
One demo.
Yes, brother.
One demo.
Yes,
Jesus. Hey. You, Japanese container.
Brother.
You are Japanese container. Ogalistic or gololo.
Madam.
Look at it. Ibuya. Look at it. Hey! Hey! Listen to me. Any man that will marry you, Any man that will marry you, no go, 4 million.
Yes. My brother, 4.5.
Okay, 4.5. But if he cry like he want us to pity him, 4 million. Last we'll collect. Okay, brother. So you people should package this well. Because you're my container. Hey! Nene, daddy. Listen to me. Your own is not too big, but it's okay. It's not as big as this one. But this one is okay. But your husband must give me 3 million. 3 million! Look at it. 3 million. This one 1.5. This one 1.5. Listen to me. If he cry too much, maybe he say he doesn't want to buy again, we'll deduct money 2.5.
Hey!
So package it well. Hey! Oh, you. You. Your own is now. I don't know if I call too much price now, the man will run away. But last. Anyhow, the man will give me 1 million.
Why 1 million?
1 million because the thing is small. It's not why. Where were you when God was sharing this thing?
Yeah. But I'm small but mighty.
Small but mighty. But where would the man will enjoy? The man will not enjoy anything here. Where were you when the God were sharing this thing? They were as big as Mama's own. I don't know where you got this small product from. A smaller container, the smallest of the containers. Don't worry. Last, I will collect 500,000 or 600 from the man. So you people should be careful. I don't want story.
I said 4 million. 4.5.
I don't want story.
Yes, brother.
I don't want anybody to cut my container half.
No.
So package my container from America, Japan, India, Indonesia.
Yes, brother.
So if I less money the same, but don't behave. 5 million, 4 million, 4.5. Calculate it. America don't make it. Hey! Who am I?
I said 4 million.
4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million. Let the men start coming. The men should start coming one after the other.
Come on, stupid girl.
She for me. Stand here, my friend. I'll slap you now. Brother, I'll tell brother everything.
Brother, 2 million what?
Yeah. 2 million. Brother, because wake up, also 2 million, 3 million. Brother, Oyi is pregnant.
Was I dreaming? So I was dreaming. What did you say?
Are you not hearing me? I said Oyi is pregnant.
Oyi is pregnant. Oyi has pregnant. Hey!
Oyi is pregnant. You. Oyi is pregnant.
Yes.
Hey! Why am I for my container? My container. No wonder I don't wonder in my dream she was telling me, hey, small but mighty. Hey, no wonder you are. You see what I said? You see what I said? This girl. Who did it? Who took my container?
Can't you talk? I'll slap you now.
Who did it?
Slap. I told Mike.
You told Mike? No wonder in my dream she was telling me you. Small but mighty.
But I will dream. What are we going to do?
Small but mighty.
Hey! Here!
Hey! Never why am I go? They have got my container.
My son, I'm so happy. Honestly, I am happy. Who will believe God will bless you with this one after that stupid one left the way she did? Eh? Look at how beautiful she is.
Mama, come on now. That one are OGs now. Let's not capitalize on the past. We have to move on. And besides, I'm not going to go the money, man. Working on ma. So right now, women, they rush me. They rush me. But actually, even here, we've been together even when I don't have money. Yeah, so.
Yes, Mama. Uzona and I have known each other for a while. And I love him a lot.
I love him a lot.
I love you so.
Hey! Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
No, this house is your house. In fact, I have given you the key to this house. On this place. Everywhere. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
So, Mama, how about Kamso? Have you seen her lately?
No, she hasn't come here today. But she's not aware you're around. She tell somebody to go and call her. She should be in the hospital.
Oh, okay. I see. Hey.
May you're welcome. Oh,
thank you, Mama.
You're so fine.
Well, it's okay.
Just if I get back to you, you look like us.
Mike, you see today? Today you will see another side of Ndoka's family. Open your mouth now and start talking. Only thing I want to hear from you is, when are you coming to pay her bride price?
Hey, brother, why are you taking it so easy with him? Let's beat him up now. And
Wait, Emeka, is that why you blocked me here with your sisters?
So it's not enough. You have the guts to put her sister in the family way. See, Mike, don't just allow us to change it here and now for you.
Or what?
Mike, Mike, talk now. I told you that day. I told you.
Shut up. Shut up. Nonsense. You told him that day. Why did you tell him that day to marry you?
Hey!
You are telling him that day you were busy opening your legs. You are not supposed to be on Onyinye.
Your sister's not opened. You have opened. Can you imagine?
Your big sister.
Listen to me, Mike. The only thing we want to hear now, before we change it, open your mouth and start talking. When are you coming for traditional marriage? Yes, white wedding, everything. Emeka, listen to me. Let me talk to you if you don't know. Listen, I am not afraid of anybody. Nobody here. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know what I see each time I look at you? I see a frustrated, depressed, local village illiterate looking for a survivor. That is what you are. Listen, let me tell you. I did not force her to open her leg. It was only the tip that just entered. And I'm like, no, it did not enter like that. And we are here. Squeezing your mouth. Listen, let me tell you. Oh yeah, why? If you try it to nobody can do anything. Try me. You will know that I am.
I'm back here. Look at this one. You said that. You press him up. Look at this one. Say you want to come.
Beat him. My workshop. Beat him. My workshop. Hold your sister. Beat him. My workshop. Beat him.
Yes. This speaking, you dey mad? I dey ask you, you dey crazy? You dey hear won't save you from the sickness where they do you. You dey hear they don't. If I would you slap you go understand yourself. Tell you what you
come, cancel. Are you okay? Why are you shouting at him?
Why no go shout?
You don't shout at kids. You pet them.
I no fit pet them. Me Kamso, I no fit pet any pikin who I won't give you muna. What did they talk? If I come pet am, he can't die in call. They go say, the job where they give nurse Kamso make she do, she not do am well. I beg no carry that one play for me, oh. If you no want give am the injection, wait, give me the street man, give am. Give me now, don't they ready? Oh, yeah, turn your bottom.
Waiting, you don't give immunization on the buttocks, it's on the arm.
Don't talk am. I feel give am anywhere where I want. I feel give am for head, I feel give am for body, I feel give am for nyash. Madam, turn this begin. Turn am.
Leave am be clean, my dear.
What's happen?
Leave am.
See, madam, you don't start oh. You don't start. We dey try make we do everything possible. Make we save this pikin. Make you not begin to work like this. You know say the work. Make you not begin to work like this. You dey hear they say make you not give am injection. If I slap this pikin now, you go understand. I go take slap from all this sickness oh. Turn him bottom.
Can I have the injection now?
Turn this pikin.
Can I have the injection now?
No. Don't tell me that one. Don't tell me that one at all.
I'm so.
See, you not go fit teach me this work for here oh.
I'm not joking with you.
What you go do?
I am not joking with you.
I no go fit give you.
Can I have it?
You dey do your own. Yeah, they give you box, they give me box. Now my tongue to give him muna. I go give her.
Can I have the injection now?
I no give you.
Give me that injection.
Madam, turn this pikin. Turn this pikin.
Leave me.
Turn this pikin now.
Leave am.
My injection I be highest. If I give am, you go
can
do
I
okay.
have it?
I don't give you.
Stop this your madness. Can I have it?
I don't give you.
Kamso, don't touch this child.
I don't define you since.
What happened?
Uzonna said I should inform you that he's back.
Who choose Uzonna?
You're Uzonna now.
Hey! Wait, you don't come back?
And he came back with a very big car.
I pack her. Shebi, you won't give injection, Abi? Take her. I give.
Kamso, so you are leaving your job
just like that. Sack me.
Leave this place. Bye-bye. The only thing that will make you come back to this house is that this guy will come and marry you. Mike will come and marry you. That's the only thing that will bring you back in this house.
But why are you still leaving her here? Eh? So sorry, kill you there. We were opening these your tiny legs for that idiot. On everyone else is sorry. Let me see you inside this house. I will kill you.
Gonna, it's okay. We've done the big.
Look at that. Smoker like you. So you know how to open.
Oh, God,
you know how to open. But that she will not. That boy must marry you.
You are still here.
Mother, should I stand up?
You are still here. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Look at. Do you know what you have done to me? Eh? You have destroyed my future. I told you that all of you are my containers. And you are the smallest container. 20 inches. That's the one they went to spoil.
Brother, you're causing more.
I will deal with you. Leave this place.
Brother, you're causing more harm. Leave her alone. It's okay.
Hey, Jama, which side are you? Why are you siding her?
She's the baby of the house. Now she has made a mistake.
The smallest container is the one that they will spoil. They will thief.
Look at her tiny legs. Sorry, we kill you there. We will open your legs for that idiot. Let her go back to the life. He must marry you. He must marry you. You will not bring shame to this family.
I said it's okay.
This is what's going on in this house. Papa will not do anything. Papa will not say anything. Since your father refused to do something, I will do something because you people are important to me. Yes. You people are my goods and services.
Nem, this one you're mumbling to yourself with all the gesticulations. I hope there's no problem.
Mama, I am just coming from Ugonwa's house. She was killed by her husband.
Killed by her husband? How? When? How?
I heard it was 3 days ago.
Hey! 3 days ago?
Yes, Mama.
What caused it? What happened?
Mama, I heard they were dragging for food.
Food?
Ni. The husband came back for lunch and ate the food she kept for her children. They started quarreling. The man hit her on the head. She died. Just like that.
Just like that? Ifugie, this is poverty at its highest state. Ago. Can you imagine?
Mama.
That is why I hate the idea of a man getting married without making money.
Mama, this is not really about poverty.
No, Gini.
It's about a man not loving his wife. A man that's supposed to provide for his family.
The same thing we are talking about. If he had money, he would have been the one providing for the wife, not the other way around.
This is the same reason I am scared of getting married. Each time I think of it.
Mbao, don't be scared of getting married. Oh, look what you have to marry. Marriage is a good thing. The only advice I will give you is that you must marry a man that has money.
Yeah?
Yes, that is what I'm doing. I've planned my own life. You see my first daughter, she's married to a rich man. And the second one, I am grooming her for another rich man. Oh, no, man. I'm going to come to get a favor. Manina begging for Ha! Obiama Joka. Obiama.
Mama! Yeah. Hey! Mama! Mama, I told you! Mama, I told you! I tell you, but you don't believe me. Not see her. I not see her. I know they see her. I tell you, say my husband go make her big. Husband go make it big. Hey!
So when will you stop this issue of calling me your husband?
I go only stop when you say I do. When you marry me.
Kamso, I'm your brother, for crying out loud. Can you stop? Eh?
Kamso, when will you stop this, my husband that? Ozonna here will not marry you because you are his sister. The relationship has gone so much. It has gone beyond friendship.
Agape, agape, we go.
It is now family relationship. That is even the reason Ozonna sent for you. He has something to tell you.
Share the good news.
You don't need to share the good news. Give me, my brother, no blind. And they see, correct. And they see the good news now. I'm seeing the good news. Baby.
How are you? I'm fine. Oh, baby, this is Kamso, yeah? Kamso is my friend I told you about. She's more like a sister to me.
Kamso? Maybe she's a nurse.
No, she's a Sabbatarian. Don't see her red and blue. Of course she's a nurse now.
It's nice to see you.
You're too fine. You're too fine.
Thank you. You too, you're a fine girl. You look so fine in your nurse uniform. Come here.
Cancer, when you're through from the hospital, you come and help me,
No, we never finish, We did what we did doing, Muna. When person tell me say, when I don't come back, now I say make I come see him. No problem. I will go back, make them for no sack me. You know say I be new nurse.
Yes. Okay, that means we'll see later, so I give you what I came back with. Kamso. I'll give her what I bought for her.
You bought something.
Yeah. My love,
right.
She's such a nice person, trust me.
Mike, you mean Emeka and his sisters did this to you? Eh? Just legodi. Look at your body.
No! Just look at me. Look at me.
They finished you.
You see this matter? It is not going to end here. I will take this matter further. Honestly, it will not end here. I will deal with Emeka. I will tell him that I am a man.
Yes. You're a strong man.
Confirm. That is what I will do.
Hey.
No. Why did he come with his sisters? Yes, he came with his sisters. Hey. He would have come alone and blocked me, but he didn't.
There were many.
Yes, now. With his sisters.
No wonder. I was wondering now why would they will mess you up like this. But that's Emeka is like that boy is mad though. Eh? It's a normal issue that happen to guys and guys now. You know, he will just call you one aside. My guy, I don't like the way you're doing. If you want to date my sister, if you want to marry her, go ahead. But beating you now, I don't understand though. Eh?
Imagine. Just imagine. Look at Emeka. Look at Emeka beating me up with his sisters. Oh, no.
Do you know that boy is a fool? Eh?
Can I tell you something? What? Even that Onyike.
Yes.
I am not the only one in this village that is dating her.
Of course not. Yes. Everyone knows that in the village.
She has an affair with that useless boy called Okay.
Is it only Okay? Even Uchenna. Uchenna. That girl is an Ashawo girl.
Hey!
In the village, everyone knows that girl now. Wow.
And my own, it was only the tip that.
Hey!
Just the tip and nothing.
You did not enter inside.
Hey! Baro!
You didn't even enter.
Oh, Baro!
You didn't even bounce.
You didn't enter, no. They are blaming it on me. Hey!
Please, listen. You see that Emeka? I personally will deal with him. I will beat him up. I will give him down my style.
Yes.
You can't see me in my John Cena style, WWE. I will deal with him.
Hey!
Emeka, do you know that Emeka has been going up to my sister Amara? Emeka has been cuddling my sister Amara. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Emeka has been brainwashing her. That girl doesn't know her left from her right again. And he was busy fighting you because of his own sister. Hey! That stupid boy.
Bam!
See, this matter, this matter, leave it for me. Leave this matter for me. I will handle it. I will use what we call WWE format. You can't see me. John Cena style. When I catch that boy, I will deal with him.
I'm behind you.
Yes! Just negotiate this guy.
Just look at me, my brother. Just look at me.
Can you imagine?
Just look at me.
Hey, it's unfair now. It's unfair. Somebody must die today. Hey? Did they take your money?
No, they didn't take my money.
Are you sure?
It's just that they were just, hitting me.
Hitting you? Are you sure this thing?
It's okay here.
Hey, Emeka.
It's something that I used to walk.
Small boy in this village. Hey, if I meet that boy, wallahi, I swear, WWE.
I
John
support.
Cena.
Why are you crying? Nothing.
I'll give you one.
That's it.
But you're crying now.
I don't believe him.
I'm saying you're a bad person. You're trying to pull a stunt on me. I know. We were together when you said you want to rush off to see your husband and just go back from the city here. Where is the gift he gave to you?
I don't believe him. I don't want to believe him.
No. You think with this you can deceive me?
I don't believe him.
Where is the gift?
I don't want to believe him.
Believe what?
I don't want to believe him. I don't believe him.
Kamso, where is the gift he gave to you? Remember we suffered together under the sun. It's time for goodies. Can I have my own?
I won't go house.
Go do it.
I don't do it again.
You don't do it again. I don't understand. You remember we've not finished what we're doing. We have to go back to the hospital to sign out.
Now you told that one.
Kamso! Hey, this girl is a bad person. You think you can deceive me with those crocodile tears up here? Better go back to the hospital and sign out though. Yes, so. Else, doctor will issue you query.
Yes. Immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. Not be my work. Government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen, better not, so don't come again. No. My job na to immunization the whole community. If you get it, koro, immunization. If you get it, immunization. You must collect it.
No. How are you?
Mama, I'm not fine.
I'm not fine, Mama. Just look at my face. What happened? Did you have an accident?
No, Mama, it's no accident. It's my husband. My husband did this to me, Mama.
Your husband, Kunyayapu? Why? What happened? What did you do to him?
Mama, nothing. Mama, I thought I was going to be happy in this marriage, Mama. Nenum, just look at me, Mama. Mama, seriously, it's over.
Chai! No, sit down here, we'll talk about it. Sit down. Sit, let's talk about it. If I can blow now, I'll call you.
Mama, tago mouth. Mama, tago mouth.
Hey! Itasi kwa maru. Inerizi kwa nini?
Mama.
Don't leave me like What is stop? Let me kill her. What did I do to you that you want to spoil the family name? Hey!
Papa, it's okay now. It's okay, Papa. Beating now not change the fact that she's pregnant. Oh, please. It's okay.
Oh mon Dieu! My God! Oh mon Dieu! The goddess of death! Why did you take my wife away so early? All these useless children! They want to kill me!
Papa, take it easy. It's okay. After all, it's not all of us here that disgraced you. It's just this little chinchi that could not close her legs that went to disgrace you. Papa, stop acting as if you even loved her mother when she was alive.
Mejono! Don't fire that your mother used to regurgitate nonsense. Is that the reason why you could not take care of a small rat like this? Only her leg to everybody, and now she's pregnant. Look, as for that, what's that boy's name? Mike. Yeah. I will finish him in this community. Yes, Emeka. Yes, Emeka.
Uncle Pasi, we've dealt with that boy. He did right.
Yes. Let her go back to the boy. Let the boy.
Okay, now shut up your mouth. Papa, see, the main thing is how to take care of this child. See, I will not change anything. It's okay.
Papa, let him marry her.
Take care of food. Take care of food. You will marry the boy.
Shut up your mouth. Papa, no. We must marry her. We must marry her.
Your face is not looking okay. What is the problem?
Mama, I did fine.
You did fine. And you're crying.
I did fine.
I heard Uzonna came back with a big car. You need to rush and see him.
Mama, I hear him. I don't even see him. I don't carry my 2 eyes see.
So what happened? What is it? What is it? What is going on?
Chai. You know, I thought that rich people don't even have any problems because they have enough money to take care of anything.
Mama, I thought the same. So Gabriel had the guts to slap me all because of another woman. All because of another woman, Mama.
My in-law behave like that? Why would he act like that?
I don't know, Mama. Right now, he wants to marry that girl, but I'm going to kill her myself.
No, you can't kill. To commit murder? No. Allow me to do the killing. So I can suck her blood. Nonsense.
What is this life turning into? If you marry a poor man, problem. If you marry a rich one, someone else will share him with you.
Mama, good evening. Oh God, baby. Is this you?
It's me, have fun now.
Biko, leave my compound. Nkem is here to gossip. Leave my compound, please. Are you still here? You can leave my compound. Diko bana. Diko baka. All she does is talk.
Mama, why now? What has Nkem done to you again?
Okay, you're looking for what she will do to you, okay? Before I react. Mama, I
don't like this, so I don't like this.
Biko, let's talk about the matter at hand.
Oh, you people had better eat too. So that you don't remind me of what I have forgotten. After all, and I'm still very young.
Mama, don't worry. We will complete the one you started.
Mom, you see, Ken. Said you want to go and see Chenduka. You're not going anywhere. Haven't I told you that man is a bad person? He's very bad. I don't want to bore my sweet daughter-in-law with unpleasant stories of it.
No one is boring her. Don't worry, just to see her return.
I hope the food is nice.
Yes, Mama, very nice.
You know you were good. Good.
One sense. Let her finish one in her mouth now.
Somebody.
Stay here.
You're looking for trouble. It's a lie.
Yeah. Stay here.
Okay, you went to call him. Yes, to fight for you.
Emeka, let me tell you, you're talking.
So you want to carry this case?
I said I will fight you. I will beat you mercilessly.
Ugonna.
If you repeat it again, I will beat you.
Ugonna, I want to carry this case.
Are you talking to me? Do you know who I am? I will kill you here. He's my friend and I will deal with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
You want to buy this case?
Are you still talking?
You want to buy this case?
Do you want us to start beating you now?
You want to buy the case? This was the time. Do you want to buy this case?
Where is that?
You want to buy this case?
You want to buy this case? You push me. Do you push me?
You want to buy this case?
No, do you push me? Rubbish to you.
Okay, do you want?
Uncle, he hasn't gotten to that now. That's exactly what I'm discussing with my mother now. I said I will come see you after eating. I just finished eating now.
Très bien. Uzonna. So, you were eating, right?
I just finished eating now.
C'est bon.
You didn't meet us on time.
So, if not that I was traversing and saw your car, that is how you would have come, saw your mother and leave without seeing me. The other day, you came with a woman to see your mother. You were so unscrupulous. You didn't bother to see me. You see, now I know that you don't have any iota of respect. I mean, infinitesimal regard for me, your father's brother.
Uncle, please, he hasn't gotten to Thomas and...
Don't worry.
Go.
Abieto, we shall see.
Abieto.
Au revoir.
You don't want to come back from that panya you went to.
I don't understand Uncle sometimes. All these big Granny Vero at the end to Sakabogo. He hasn't gotten to that now. I'll come to see you later. I don't understand though. If you were here, I said I will go to see him now. Eh?
Baby, we should go see him.
I will, of course. I will go see him.
Yeah. Ozona, please calm down. When you finish relaxing, doing everything you want to go and do, you can go and see him. Oburago. What did he do? Oburago.
Why did that woman react to me like that? If not for the fact that she's Ogo's mother, I would... Can it be that Ogo and her husband are already having issues? So? Why would her mother just chase me out like that? Am I the only girl that gossips in this village? If not for the fact that she's Ogo's mother, I wouldn't have taken it from anybody. What is that?
What are you doing alone here? Talking to yourself. Are you a mad person?
My dear, why won't I talk? When some people will wake up in the morning and suddenly just turn bad on you, why won't you talk like a mad person?
What happened? Is it because of Ugonwa's death?
What's my business with that? Let all those that are rushing to get married use that as an example.
What happened?
I'm coming from Mama Ogo's house. I saw Ogo on a bike and I went there to greet her. And the mother just sent me away like that.
Ogine, why?
Ask me. As if I'm the one that caused the issues between Ogo and her husband.
Ogo is having issues with her husband. Hey! I thought her husband is rich.
Ask me again. Go there, you will see her.
Never mind. You don't need to tell me the story because I'm going there. I want to see things with my 2 eyes. Oh?
And they say I'm the only one that likes gossip in this village.
So, that was the reason Kamso was very angry.
I'm telling you, you better tell her to stop that feeling she's having for Uzonna. It's obvious he doesn't want to marry her.
My sister, I have told her that countless times, but she wouldn't listen. Hey! So, Uzonna is now okay. We know how she helped him. He was the reason she became a nurse.
I know it. See, my dear, don't mind that Uzonna. They were only using her. If only this one will stay. The last girl that came, did she stay?
My sister, how will she stay when the mother is always chasing them away? Chasing them away. That Uzonna too. Can he even stay with any girl? He can't though. Where he'll be forming fine boy. The only fine boy in the whole world. He's so arrogant. I told my friend, I warned her, but she wouldn't listen. You know how she is now? Very stubborn.
And dear?
I will still talk to her again when I see her. No problem. Thank you for this information.
No problem, my dear. Take care.
Mike, you will see. They will see. Ogo ebebe. You are kaka. This fight has not ended. They will see. They will see. will show you. I will show you. You will see.
Why you with your bare body like this?
Papa, you see Mike and Ugonna, they are dead. Dead. I will kill them. Papa, your son, as you see me now, I'm going to be a murderer. Because both of them, I'm going to kill them.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? What happened that you want to become a murderer all of a sudden?
Papa, have you gone home? Have you seen your daughter Oni?
Yes.
Okay. You see her condition. You see her condition. And you want Mike to be alive.
Look, don't worry. That non-entity, Mike, will answer to me at the right time. For now, it is Uzonna. See, Uzonna dares me. I'm just coming from Amaka's house. Do you know that Uzonna brought a woman and a car to see the mother? And he abandoned me with impunity. He didn't bother to bring them to come and see me. Even though that I was traversing that milieu, I wouldn't have seen them. And I am the father. Pray. Nous verrons. We shall see. Let's go.
Don't worry. Let him enjoy his money. Nous verrons.
Oh yes, nous verrons.
Mike and Ugonna. Nous verrons.
Let's go.
Why don't you tell him? Why don't you tell him?
Nous verrons. We shall see. Nous verrons.
Oh, Mama, I told you that he's not going to pick your call. Seriously, if I had known, I wouldn't have gotten married.
It's okay now. Even if he doesn't pick my call, I will go to the city to see him. Let him tell me why he beat you up like this and sent you home.
Mama, I will not beg him. I will not beg him. If he's not going to send that girl out of his house, I will not go there again. I will look for a way and kill that girl myself.
We might have to beg him. In short, I get beg. Yes, because Nonye Diego has everything. A rich man has everything.
Mama, greetings.
Ogo, how far now?
I'm fine, welcome.
This one your face is like this. Hope it's not true.
Leave my compound.
Get out of here.
Mama, wait. Please, what is not true?
Sorry, I just saw Nkem who told me that you have issues with your husband. I get to see if it's true.
Get out!
Because I know your husband is...
Get out from here! Asili, Ikapu. Get out of here! Kora kundu. Ikapu no. Kima ife memu kuya anwa. Okwa nkwa stored ni afa ya bulu side bended upu. I'm Pama.
Mama, what is this? I don't like it.
Because I cannot leave. That's why I don't like coming to this compound.
But wait though. How did she know what I just told you?
Is it not what I've been saying about Nkem? Nkem bonya asali, iliada no fuebe. All she does is go around the village, gossiping about people. Onya Jessiam, yet she can't even get married. Even the small boys that her fellow mates are following, she can't even get. But I have to do something about this. Maybe something.
That is it, my daughter. That is why I want to know you well. I don't want somebody to come again and break my son's heart. Because he's so dear to me. He's so precious to me.
Are you mad? No. What's the meaning of that rubbish? Am I under some kind of interrogation or what?
Are you correct?
No. What do you mean by I don't want anybody to break my son's heart? Do I look like a heartbreaker to you? No, I'm asking you. What's wrong with you? Do you know what? I am done. I am done with your son. You can go ahead and marry your son. After all, that is what witches like you do.
Are you alright? You just called me a witch.
Yes, I called you a witch. Is that not what you are?
It is your mother that is a witch. Oh, stand there, come here. It is your grandmother, great grandmother that is
It is your mother that is a witch.
She called me a witch. Are you now there?
Don't you hear her?
I will kill this girl.
Is it my mother you just called a witch?
She's a witch. Let me tell you. Don't touch me. What is it means?
Are you normal?
I am not mad. I am normal. She's a witch. She's crazy.
You sure you're not mad?
Yes, I am not mad. She's a witch.
This girl. What's wrong with you? Beat her well. Beat her well. Let me beat her well. Beat her well.
Beat her well.
Beat her well. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You are a witch. And don't you dare call my precious.
Can you shut up?
Don't touch me. Where did you think this guy from? You are not qualified to be called a mother. You are a witch. You are a witch. Shut up.
You mad?
Are
you mad?
I am telling you, see, I'm going to deal with that boy. I will deal with that boy today.
Oh God, now God bless you. Thank you so much for helping me. You see, what we did to him now will serve as a lesson to him.
Yes.
In fact, don't worry. I know what to do next.
Tell me.
I am going to deal with his sisters.
Hey.
Trust me.
You want to deal with that? You're a bad guy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us go and plan how we deal with the sisters.
I trust you.
Let's go.
No! You're a witch. It's your family.
I cannot marry someone that insults my mother. I cannot marry a mad person. It's obvious you've gone mad.
I am not mad. Your mother is a witch. I am not mad.
If I slap you, you will change color. Now leave.
Leave my house. Go! This person will not marry you. Go and learn how to carry yourself. Leave me alone. Go and learn manners. Who wants to be associated with a family like yours? Go ahead and marry your son. Marry your son. Go! You are a witch. Don't touch me. Don't come back. Beat her. Who wants to be associated with a family like yours? Don't touch me. Witch, that is what you are. Witch!
You're lucky I didn't put you in the boot. Someone like you deserves to be chained and put in the boot because you're a mad person.
Idiot.
You are a witch. You are a witch. Don't touch me. You are a witch.
Okay. Please hold it.
You are a witch.
Witch. Idiot. Don't ever bring this girl.
Mama, it's okay. Just go inside. If you're talking, she's talking. She's a mad person. Eh? Just go. I'm tired already. Go. Hi. Go.
Take.
If you break my glass, I will see.
Nobody will marry you. Shame.
Uzona. Oh mon Dieu. Uzona. I will deal with that. He will know that I am the only father that he has now. He has the right to neglect me. Moi. Hey. He will look for me.
Papa, you are confusing us. Which one are we going to find out? Is it Emeka that fought with that useless boy Mike? Or Uzona that neglected you?
Papa, leave Uzona. Up Uzona's case. Uzona, let him enjoy his money. Simple. Let him enjoy. Don't deal with him. Don't do anything to him. Papa, what we should be talking about now is how to deal with Mike. Emeka, for Mike, he's dead already. It's only his ghost, his shadow that you are seeing. He's dead already. Not after what he did to my daughter. Then he has the ghost also to come and fight you with his friends. Oh, he's finished. Where are the others?
Papa, I don't know, but it's like going is inside.
Look, as soon as they are all complete, we'll have a meeting. We will decide what we will do to Mike decisively, and that is honor. Okay, we will see.
Nurse Ego.
Sir?
Where is Chikamso?
Sir, she went out, but she's coming back.
Hold it right there. I was told that she didn't come back with you. Oh, so this is how she closed sign out from work, right?
No, sir, not at all. You know, we went out together and she started having stomach ache. So she asked me to help her sign out. But I know she's coming back soon.
Nurse Ego, if I ever find out that you're lying to me, I will make it hot with you. I employed her because of you. And I told you to tell her to stop wearing white. I mean, she's still a trainee, but she wouldn't listen.
No, sir, she will listen. I haven't told her, but I will tell her soon. I know she'll stop wearing it.
Well, I hope you do, because your job is at stake, if you don't know. So if you like, keep defending her. It's our own business.
Evelyn, talk to me. What happened to you? First, you came back earlier than expected. I think
we Becky.
Yes.
Something is wrong with me. But I don't know what that is. I don't know.
Just calm down. Please. Whatever it is, we shall find solution to it. There is no problem without a solution, you know.
No. Not this one. I don't know what came over me. I am so ashamed of myself.
Evelyn, you know I can't help you. If you don't tell me what you have done, that you're ashamed of yourself. You have not said anything yet.
Everything was going on very well in the village. Zonna's mother is a very nice woman, and we were already getting along. Then, all of a sudden, something came over me and I started calling her names. I called her a witch in the presence of Uzo.
Evelyn!
Okay, not just that. But myself and Uzo fought in the village. Evelyn, I messed up.
You what?
I don't know. Uzo would never forgive me. Everything is over. It is over.
It's okay.
It is okay. I want to kill myself.
No. It's okay. Please.
I cannot live.
Just stop.
I warned you, not like I did not warn you. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now the doctor has threatened me with my job. And you are happy, okay? Tell me, what wrong did I do by helping you? Is it wrong? I came to tell you that I'm not happy with you. Mama, I'm not happy with her. I'm not happy with this woman.
It's okay, Biko.
Mama, leave her. Leave her when she rant. No, they come in, they shout at mad woman. What did they do you said? You drink ogogoro? See, I know. You don't need to tell me say you don't love me. Hey. You hate me and I know that one. Say you carry me go for nurse work because many people talk say you help your friend. But I don't think you know the better person. Me. You don't want to carry my matter. Carry my matter, go give doctor. Doctor don't do anything he won't do. You come here, come they claim better person. Hey. You don't go better for you. Hey. Don't even try make me angry this afternoon. No, not make me angry.
Mama.
Nonsense.
Mama, can you hear her? Can you hear what this ungrateful child is saying to me? Tansi, please stop all this. Ego is your best friend. She cannot do a thing like that.
To fear. She cannot be my best friend. Hey. She used to be, but not anymore. Mama, I did not want to tell you, make I tell you now. I dream. For that dream, this girl call plenty people. Maybe they pursue me. Maybe they kill me for my dream. You know they happen. Na dream. You know they happen. You don't see you. Woo!
Kamso, do you know how to even lie to the doctor just to defend you? Liar. And you are saying all this to me. Kamso, you're a very wicked person.
Are you wicked pass?
Don't worry. I heard everything you said. Mama, I'm not going to oku. Let me go. Call this here.
Ego, please.
Go.
Ego, please, come back.
I never return. Go.
Ego.
Go. Come. Go after your friend.
Mama.
What is all this? When you came back early this morning, I asked you what was the problem. You said nothing. Now I've seen what the problem is all about. Go and call your friend back.
Better person,
Go and call her back. What is this?
You carry me go nurse work.
What is all this?
Now you go teach me the nurse work.
Yeah?
What a clear man if side on your club or guinea. Eh? On another pam. You want to betray your best friend. Make sure you bring her home. What is this?
Mama, like seriously, you need to go there and see him. I mean, why would he behave like this?
I am feeling very cold. My only hope is about to enter voicemail.
Mama. Mama, don't think like that. He can go to hell if he wants. Oh God, you don't have to talk like that too. Mama needs to go there and beg him. It's not easy to see a rich man nowadays. I said I want to have him all to myself. I don't care if he's rich or poor. I don't even mind having a poor man, but having him all to myself.
It's not like that. Poverty and joker. See, if you marry a rich man, he will constantly fill your pocket with ego. The important thing is that he'll be filling up your pocket with ego.
I tell you, see, no matter what you do, a man must still cheat. So what if you marry a poor man and he still cheats? Is it not better you marry a rich man and let him cheat? Me, I don't care. Mama, guess what? I have a good news for you.
So this is her bag. Give it to her. Let me know I don't have any of her stuffs with me.
Please. Let's go inside and talk about it, please.
There is absolutely nothing to talk about. I am done with her. Like, so done.
You can't say that.
I can't say that. You think I'm
Please, I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I admit I committed a terrible sin against you and your mother. But please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Please. She has narrated everything that happened.
Why would she do that? No, for real, why would you do that? Why would you insult my mother?
I don't know what came over me. So that I love you so much. My life will be meaningless without you. Please don't leave me. Don't leave me. Forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. Stand.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now let's go inside. Come on.
They go, now they go. Now me they here. Now me get this side now. I mean they take care of this side.
Cancel. She was just checking on me.
Make she no check on you. I dey here. I full ground. I fit check on you where. Make she go check that keke man. That keke man nowhere since. I mean dey here. Bring your brush make I put paste.
Okay.
Go check on. You go well. Now me they tell you. Now me be nurse council. Anybody who I take care of, we know well. Ha! My brother, the person no go well again. No. That person no go ever well again.
Nurse council, you're such a nice person.
Na gift though. Na God give me.
Seriously.
Na gift. You never see anything.
Nothing can be this nice.
You never see anything.
Thank you very much.
Better picking. I get up and make you brush your teeth. I help you. I did here for you.
Such a nice person.
Even CNN knows I'm nice. Don't worry. You'll still know my story later.